Hi, Miss Kenneth Medroso. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, I'm Kenneth Del Puerto Medroso. I'm 43 years old. I live in 14 Lawisba, Lapasan, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. I'm married.
Do you have kids, ma'am?
I'm blessed with 4 kids, age 26, 10, 8, and 5.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 7 siblings.
And what is your order in the family?
I'm the eldest one.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm a college level, taken up Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I'm undergraduate. I did not finish my course because my mom don't have money to pay tuition fee. I'm also a certified caregiver, and I'm also a graduate in nursing assistant in Qatar.
Alright, so do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I'm working experience abroad in Qatar, Kuwait, and Hong Kong.
Right.
Then, in my present, I finished my 2 years and 6 months in Qatar, taking care autism kids, royal family, and my main duty is to take care the kids, cook food, tutor, and play with them. Then in the Kuwait, I finished 5 years, taking care of 4 and 5 years old boy and girl. Then my main duty is to take care the kids, then bring at the school, play with them, then tutor. And the last one, Hong Kong. I experienced working Hong Kong, taking care newborn baby 6 months, only 1 year, because my employer is migrate in Taiwan.
Alright, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
Uh, I'm a loving mom and hardworking person and trustworthy and can do multitasking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Need to my family and to my kids need to financial support.
So are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Right, so how about big dogs, ma'am?
Maybe little bit.
Alright. Can you give me your idea? How can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them about a clumsy boys. Then I will read them stories and feedback about the bad effect of naughty boys and girls.
Alright, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Their future employer, if I'm a good hardworking person, I can assure to you I'm a good worker. Then if you have rules and regulation, I will follow. Then if you have kids, I can assure to you that I will love and treat them as my own kids. Thank you, ma'am.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am.